Hello friends, today we are going to see test environment. Environment is the combination of hardware, software and network configuration. Test environment is divided into four types: development environment, QA environment, UAT environment, production environment. Let's see the first type of test environment is a dev environment. In this environment, developers are involved. In this environment, developer perform unit testing and integration testing. Next is a QA environment. QA environment is also called as a SIT environment. In this environment, testers are involved. In this environment, tester perform system testing. Third is the UAT. In this environment, tester perform UAT testing. Next is the production environment. Production environment means live. In this environment, end users are involved. That's it. Thank you. Keep learning.